Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find photos for a specific event that happened on a specific date in a specific location. And I will show you on the Android phone, but the procedure is exactly the same on the Apple phone. So make sure you have the iPOLPO app downloaded. That's iPOLPO. It's free to download on your Apple Play Store or Google Play. I'm going to press on that and the app opens up and automatically takes me to my current location. You're going to see pins, many pins or not, depending on where you are, of photos taken around you within the last 6 months. So it depends on how many photographers have been active within your neighborhood on iPOLPO. So ours is obviously quite full because we're locally developed, so quite a few people are using our app. The key to, so you can scroll through, look through photos that way, but it's very random. So we want to define a specific time of a race that happened on October 21st. And we're going to search from 8 a.m. approximately. Let's go 8 a.m. October 21st, 2018. Make sure you have the date right and the year. I'm going to select. That's the start search time, and search date would be the same day. We want to do 1 day's worth of photos, and we're going to search until, let's say, 1 p.m. So just in the morning, we know that there was a race happening at 8 a.m. Select and search from October 21st, 2018. Oh, look at this. I did 1 a.m. instead of 1 p.m. and it kept saying that it needs to be, the date needs to be later than the start date. So I put 1 p.m., so 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and press search. And now all of a sudden, most of the pins have disappeared. I zoom in to where I see the pins because I know that that's where the race took place, was in a place called White Rock. There's another location of pins, but that seems to be of a different event, which is cycling. So I want to go into the one by the water, and here's the event I was looking for. I can scroll through all the photos, look at them. I can click on them, zoom in to see what they're of. And at this point, the resolution seems quite low on the photos, and this is just to allow, it's Facebook quality, just so that it allows for users to scroll through quite quickly and be able to see what the photos are. Let's say I'm really interested in this bee photo. Yep, quality doesn't seem the best, but if I download, it says free download. If I download, download complete, okay, I can go back and let's say do the Remax tent. Again, I can look at it. Oh, that's a great action shot. I go free download, I just tap on it and it goes quite quickly depending on how fast your internet connection is. And now if I want to get out of the app and look into my gallery, photo gallery, I'm clearly in the wrong spot. Here we go. Here's one photo downloaded just now in great quality. It's because they're taken with a DSL camera, so it just depends on how the photographers upload them. And here's the Remax tent with the carved pumpkins. And they're in full resolution. I can now print, email, crop, do whatever I'd like with the photos because they're now on my phone in full resolution. And that's how easy it is to use iPOLPO to find and download full resolution photos. Thank you. Please check out iPOLPOphotos.com for more step-by-step instructions and videos, and contact us if you have any questions about how you can sell, share, or find your photos globally. Thank you. Bye.